In machine learning, finding the best fitting line is crucial in linear regression as it determines the accuracy of predictions made by the model. The best fitting line is the line that has the smallest difference between the predicted values and actual values. The finding of the best fitting line in a linear regression model, in general, OLS or ordinary least squares regression is used. And this process involves calculating the sum of the squared differences between the predicted values and the actual values for each data point and then finding the line that minimize the sum of squared errors. Is definitely as crucial as in linear regression as well as multiple linear regression. Now, what is cost function? The cost function is also known as function, loss function, or objective function, which is a measure of how well the model is performing. In linear regression, the cost function is used to calculate the difference between the predicted values and the actual values, which is also known as residuals or errors. The goal of linear regression is to minimize the cost function, which is achieved by finding the best fitting line that minimizes the sum of squared differences between the predicted values and the actual values. The most commonly used cost function in linear regression is mean squared error, that is MSE, and this is quite common, which is calculated as the average of the squared differences between the predicted and actual values, and which is shown on the right side here. Now, the cost function, as I said, that you need to minimize the cost function. So how well the current response surface fits the available data. Smaller values of cost function correspond to a better fit, and the machine learning goal is to construct the function such that the cost function is minimized. And in regression, the function is usually directly interpretable as predicted response.